And my light went out again in my mixing room. So I got the old rigid panel light. I got my hybrid stick light. So I can at least see when I'm mixing and what I'm doing. Because if I don't have the light, it's pretty dark. Not bad for these little lights. Doing a good job. Oh man, this mess is how my brain feels right now. I need to clean this up, get organized, and hopefully it can organize my brain as well. Okay, that is much better. Don't mind the lights though. We're gonna try an LED. We had old new stock from 30 years ago. So that is a new bulb from this year. It's in there. But I said, why don't we try an LED? Because it should be super bright. This is, what is this? 5K. I think that is 3K. Sure, something like that. But yeah, it should last longer. Should be brighter. Should be whiter. And if you care, use less energy too. Let's go check out our two-tone in progress. The key with two-tone, when you are like me and you don't have a bake cycle, you just run in normal air. So I ended up sealing everything. I got my color down and I'm locking it in with some wet bed. So when I tape on top of it, hopefully I don't bugger up any metallics or leave any tape marks in the paint. If I leave tape marks, it's in the clear base coat that's laid down here. And when I put clear coat, you won't notice them. It'll just level it all out and it won't mess with the metallic orientation. But I'm gonna let this sit right now until after lunch. I'll go over it with the white. There's a reason why I use this sealer. Whatever, I don't really want to get into it. But I got the heater in here. So we're gonna hit the old Mennonite bake cycle. And we're gonna disappear for a little while. We got a new light. 5K LED. Is it brighter? Maybe. Is the lighting whiter and better in that way? Absolutely. Finally, I'm back in the booth. I was hoping to get at it right after lunch, but I kind of got distracted trying to get a whole bunch of cars together and gone. But yeah, so we got it masked up, ready to rock and roll. Whatever you want to call it, the gray is done. Now it's just a matter of splashing on some white, and I'm gonna probably have to put 3 coats on just because I got gray primer, so I chose the primer that goes best with that color. Check this out. Oh yeah. Look at that line. 0 tape marks. De Beer water base is the real deal. Two-toning has honestly been a bit of a struggle with the last system we had. But with this, it all comes down to letting it dry and making sure there's no tape marks. I checked it after lunch and I was pressing on it and I was getting no finger marks. Whatever. Went and did some other stuff. Came back, taped it up. Look at that. De Beer is the real deal. Two tones just got so much easier. Look at this thing. This looks sick.